Lucas, oh. Lucas will go to school. At Latime. Behave ka sa school, Lucas, ha? Behave ka sa school, Luki, ha?
Okay.
Tingnan naman. What is your name?
Lucas Burbanista.
What is your mother's name?
I don't know.
Nanay.
Lorna
Lorna.
Borja Bautista.
Bautista.
Anong pangalan ni tatay mo?
Tatay.
Oh, Berhel.
Berhel.
Oh,
Tatay.
hindi. Berhel Bautista.
Berhel Bautista.
Saan ka nakatira?
I'm going to the school.
Okay, behave ka, ha?
Okay.
Behave.
mananakit doon, walang manangagat.
Okay.
Teng, bala mo mo i-reyo niya, Teng. Kalaki ng bag niya mag-scooter. Mamaya na, Luki. Baka madumihan ka pa niyan.
Because I'm going to school.
Oy. One. Oh, one.
Right?
Ay, dami.
Rayola, guys. Wow!
Excited ka?
Behave, ha, Luki, ha?
Okay.
Love you.
Sabay ko tatay.
Saka upo.
Doon ka.
Ate Del, bahay may kini.
Wala pa
Baliktad yun.
Hoy, magbabay ka kay tatay.
Bye-bye.
Ay, si tatay mo, nandun.
Bye-bye, tatay.
Nagkarapal. Baka mabangka kayo.
Ali, ito lang.
See you later.
Bye.
Later.
Okay, Luki is going to school.
Say backpack like me.
Spider-Man. Ah, pwede mo atagla ata. Sigladang. Luki. Bless po.
Bless.
Ay, hindi po.
Iyak, manibayo iyak kayo. Where's the teacher?
Ali, ma'am, pwede niya pa pong abayan ka na. Tapos, pag po kayo, ilang ko nyo.
Kung pa niya pamuitang anak ng kahit. Mamay. Hard sell. Nung ko pa. Sige.
Luki, are you excited? Are you excited? Are you excited? Yes? Okay. Eh, sorry po. Sorry po. Are you excited?
Color.
Are you excited, Luki? Yeah? Behave ka lang, okay? Behave ka lang, okay? Okay? Just listen to the teacher, okay? Behave, okay?
Huwag kang naan sa mga yun. Mas marapin ka mo. Wow. Oh. Wala pa. Later ha. Later ha.
Kasi ka man lang karela mo ayun na ka. Ano kayang panyula na nini? Ano kayang panyula na nini?
Why the teacher is not there?
Later. Later, the teacher will go there. At the front. Just wait for her, okay? What are you doing? Write your name.
I write my name like this.
Write your name.
Titi ako sulat.
Sulat ka. Ah, sige. Sulat mo yung pangalan mo. Sulat mo yung pangalan mo.
Sabi mo, isulat mo ito. Write mo yun, no? Isulat mo yun, no? Dito. Sa paper. Nano pang gawin? Sulat mo, write mo.
Marunong ka mag-English.
Like this,
Na?
Yeah.
Marunong ka mag-English. Kausapin mo siya, no? Tagalog, pwede rin. Kausapin mo siya, no?
This, no? Okay.
Sige.
Hey, kama siya.
Sige. Nakayang panggawa namin.
Mag-grow, mag-grow. Like this. Ay, sister yung belt ko. Dad. Teacher. Yan.
Huwag ka magkikipag-away, Loki, ha? Okay.
Banana.
Banana.
Line, low ka naman line. Ganito.
Where's the banana?
Bye, Loki. Listen to teacher, ha? Listen to teacher. Bye. See you later. Behave, okay? Behave. Okay. See you later.
What can you say? Say present. Oh, raise your hands. Say present. Yeah, very good. Again. Okay, Ben Mateos. What? Amen. Diyan, Zoe. Oh, pencil lang ang ilalabas.
Tago mo yung papel mo yung lapis lalabas mo. Huwag mo yung tatago yung lapis mo. Tago mo lang yung papel.
Good. Marunong ka kanyan eh. Mamaya mo, lagay mo sa lang mo. Ay,
Keep your crayons.
papel. Tabi mo ba? Saan mo magkatatayo dyan? Ako kaya niya. O, yung trace na yan. Ito na yung dalawa po. Bakit umiiyak?
Pandu.
Wala kaya wala.
Finish it. Magpa-check ka na kay teacher. Go to teacher. Yeah, go to teacher. High five, high five. Yeah. Patingin, patingin. High five. High five muna. Patingin, patingin ng star. Patingin. So, let me see your paper. Your paper. Oh, very good. Oh, sit down ka na. Oh, be careful. Lucas, sit down. Finish it. No, finish it. Focus. she's done.
You didn't finish it. You don't have enough.
But you finished yours. Wow. Oh,
Help me now.
you can do it. You can do it. I'm not allowed to help you.
I'm so tired.
You're tired. Oh, dali. Go na. You're tired. Tired ka na? Hindi ka pa tired. Oh, why you're covering your ears? Is it noisy?
Because they're talking so loud.
Just focus, okay? Focus. Kunin mo yun. Kunin mo yun. Ulog. Ay, kunin mo na. Finish mo na yung red. Dali. Tapos magkaka-start ka ulit. Hindi. Yeah.
Dito tayo kay tapos isa.
Ayun, nagpapacheck.
Ate!
Keep it. Alam mo na, galak ka na.
Yes!
nakakuha na ng blue. Ayaw mo yung iba? Ayun, no? Spider-Man, no?
Is it Spider-Man?
Hintayin mo si tatay mo, no? Papunta. Ngayon naman yung dugyo.
Magtatay?
Kay tatay.
Tinsahan na po kayo.
Tara, let's go. Let's go.
Wait lang, ubusin niya muna yung ano niya, no?
Sa motor na lang, no?
Hindi.
Yuri, no?